librarian at the Buffalo Central Library, and I'm pleased to be back again today for another edition of Cooking with a Librarian. It's part of my job as a librarian at the Central Library. I manage the cookbook collection, and going through the other day, I found one that was quite interesting to me. It's called 200 Cake Mix Creations. That's by Stephanie Ashcraft. And I found a recipe in here for oatmeal cookies using a cake mix as the basis. So I thought I would give it a shot. It's pretty simple, and now we'll take a look at the ingredients required. Alright, so now we're going to get started. We're going to take a look at our ingredients first. We have a bag of cake mix. We have a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of applesauce, 2 eggs. We're going to use 2 cups of oatmeal and raisins, and I would say probably about 1/2 cup. All right, so let's get started mixing it together. So we will start with 2 cups of oatmeal. And to that we will add our bag of cake mix. And just mix that together. Okay, now we're going to add cinnamon, and I'm going to say about a tablespoon. Depends how much cinnamon you really want in your cookies. All right, next we will add our applesauce. And our oil. And our 2 eggs. And then we'll mix it all in. And there we have it. We have a nice moist mixture. We also want to include 1/2 cup of raisins. Mix that in. Alright, now I've prepared a baking sheet with some wax paper, and now we're just going to drop the cookies into nice size dollops. This will be up to you how big you want your cookies to be. You can make them as big or as small as you want them to be. Alright, so now we're going to bake these until they're golden brown, and I'll show you the finished product once they finish baking. We've set the oven to 350 degrees. According to the cookbook, it should take about 10 minutes or so. So we'll see how it looks. Alright, and we are back, and this is the finished product. I have to say they came out looking very nice. Let's see. Alright, you can see they clearly don't resemble a cake, but they seem very moist. Last thing we need to do is have me try them, so let's give it a try. Very good. They're very moist, kind of cakey. So if you like a crunchy bottom, this might not be ideal for you, but very good. Far better than I thought they would turn out from a cake mix. So thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time for another edition of Cooking with a Librarian.